Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Sophia. Today, we're diving into 7 incredible vintage motorcycles, all available for under $5,000. If you're a fan of classic rides, these bikes are perfect for collectors or anyone looking for a unique experience on 2 wheels. Let's jump right into it. 1. 1968 BSA Victor, $2,900, Atlanta, Georgia. First up, we have the 1968 BSA Victor in a bold yellow color. This custom-built bike has had extensive work, including a new clutch and battery. It's easy to kickstart in 1 or 2 kicks. While the left handlebar and fork seals need minor repairs, this bike is otherwise in great condition. For $2,900, it's a fantastic find for any vintage enthusiast. 2. 1965 Honda S65 Sport, $3,200, Deerfield Beach, Florida. Next, the 1965 Honda S65 Sport with only 980 miles on it. It's an all-original iconic Honda with its original tires and toolkit. The engine's top end was rebuilt using genuine Honda parts, and it runs perfectly. Set to be showcased at the Dania Beach Antique Motorcycle Show in January, this classic Honda is priced at $3,200. 3. 1957 Cushman Eagle, $3,250, Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Here's the 1957 Cushman Eagle, freshly restored with a new 6+ HP engine, 10-inch racing tires and powder-coated frame. It's a vintage gem that's been fully modernized, perfect for classic style with a boost in performance. Selling for $3,250, this bike offers an ideal blend of retro charm and updated features. 4. 1960 Zundap Super Sabre 250, $3,000. Then we have the 1960 Zundap Super Sabre 250 with a 2-stroke, 18 HP engine and 4-speed transmission. Known as one of the fastest bikes of its time, it offers a unique chance to experience classic speed. Available for $3,000, this is a rare find for lovers of high-performance vintage bikes. 5. 1967 Suzuki TC200 Stingray, 2200, Columbia, Kentucky. From Suzuki, we have the 1967 TC200 Stingray. This low-mileage bike comes with additional parts and a spare set of tires. While it's not perfect, it's a solid runner that's great for backroad rides. At $2,200, it's a versatile, adventure-ready choice. Nasher 6 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $4,000, Maryville, Tennessee. Next, the 1968 Harley-Davidson Sportster in a classic white, going for $4,000. It only needs a new battery and some carburetor adjustments. As a highly sought-after Harley model, this Sportster makes a perfect project bike for anyone wanting a classic Harley to personalize. 7. 1951 BSA B31, $2,500, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Finally, there's the 1951 BSA B31, complete with new Dunlop tires and a rebuilt magneto. Though it requires a bit of TLC, this bike includes original handlebars, seat cover, and service manual. Selling for $2,500, it's ideal for vintage restorers looking for an authentic project. And that's it for today's video. Which of these classic bikes caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Dr. Sophia for more vintage finds and amazing deals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.